Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GGG0106S in color code 007. It's a gold, green, red color frame. It has a double GG Gucci logo in gold on the side of the temples, and has a Havana pattern at the end of the temples. This frame is made in Italy. And the serial numbers on the side of the temples. The lenses are gray gradient color, with the Gucci logo engraved in the top left corner. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.